Hi everyone and welcome to SoundBlab. In this video I will talk about the retro Bluetooth Boombox build and do a sound test at the end. The speaker, amplifier and crossover parts used in this build are all from Parts Express. The 3-inch drivers are Dayton Audio ND90 4-ohm. The Bluetooth amplifier is the KAB215 2x15 watt per channel with a number of extensions added to it. The boombox is portable and can be charged with a 19-volt laptop charger. The crossover used is the parallel notch filter to flatten out the frequency curve and consists of only 3 components per channel, an inductor, capacitor and resistor. I have used these small drivers in other builds and again I am impressed with the performance and how low they can go. Although they will not shake the room, the speaker does provide an adequate full range sound and will surprise you in the end. This is a relatively simple build. The enclosure is made of 12mm or 1/2 inch MDF and that's really it. The amplifier module with plug-in extensions make it very easy to assemble and put the electronic parts together. There's minimal soldering, only the crossover requires some soldering, but you can even use some terminals to assemble it without the need for solder. If you would like to build a speaker like this, please visit my website soundblab.net and purchase the build plans. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up, and you can also keep up to date with new videos coming up by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button below. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. But now let's hear how the speaker sounds. Of course, best listened to through a good set of headphones.
Something in the air, like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I will be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time.